welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some cute resin haul with you all. Actually, I wanted to buy so many resin materials for a long time. So I searched many Instagram pages and finally I got this one. I purchased my resin materials from Craft90 Instagram page. I will leave their Instagram page link and website link in description. I already uploaded two recent haul videos. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I will leave the links in description. If you guys like my videos, give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. So first product is resin and hardener. I purchased this 1 kg resin for 950. Actually, I think it was a most affordable price because I purchased 500 ml for 750 in our local shop. So I haven't used it yet. After the shoot only, I'm going to use it for an order. So our second product is bubble burster. Every resin artist will know this pain because every time we make our frame, it will create some bubbles. So I got this bubble burster for 60 rupees. I also bought some molds. First one is this random mold. They didn't mention any name. Just type the random mold in a website. Then you can get this. I mainly purchased this mold for a heart shape. So next one is this cute little mold. Actually, this is a 3-inch circle mold. I purchased this one for 50 rupees. I wanted to make some keychains, so I purchased this little mold. This one is without hole. With hole is also available. I think it's around 60 rupees or something. So next one is the silicone measuring cup. I haven't opened it yet. Wait. This is a 100 ml measuring cup. We can also use it for pouring a resin. Next I purchased this A6 notebook cover mold. This one price is 120 rupees. Next I purchased this pen mold. This one is for 70 rupees. Next I purchased this two tweezers. Each price is 25 rupees. Next I purchased this MDF clock base. And I also purchased clock mechanism for that. This one is 120 rupees. I purchased these two number stickers for a clock. Each price is 20 rupees. And I purchased these two little MDF cutouts. Each price is 30 rupees. And I purchased so many bases in different shapes. This one is rectangle. I purchased two pieces in every shape. This one is 15 rupees. Next I purchased this jumbo rings for 55 rupees. I think it's around 10 gram or something, and I also feels that it's little bit higher price for this product. Next I also bought some pigments. I bought this two opaque pigments for 55 rupees each. I chose this dog blue and a black. And also purchased powder pigments. First one is pearl gold and a golden one. Next I purchased this scraper. For making basil spinnet, I brought this basil tape. This one is 150 rupees. Next I bought this two marker, gold and silver one. Each price is 70 rupees. And also I purchased some sequins. First one I bought is hot sequins. This one was a multicolor sequin. Each pack is 35 rupees. After that I purchased 3 butterfly sequins. I bought this purple and violet and blue one. Each pack is 35 rupees. And the next one is this mini bottles. Each pack is 55 rupees and it has a 12 bottles in it. And the last one is most affordable one. This one, the stickers. I bought this baby stickers for 120 rupees. You can also get it in a black color for 99 rupees. Next I purchased this big letters and some words. This sticker is for 75. Next I purchased this small letter stickers. Each was 75 rupees. And the last product is this calendar stickers. I purchased this one for 75 rupees. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. I purchased all these materials from Minecraft 90. They have a website, Instagram page and WhatsApp also. I will leave their details in description. If you guys have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section. So see you guys in next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Danu.